Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys how to install how to actually upload and extract a premium theme. For this video, teaching you guys how to upload the essentials. There's a particular WordPress theme called Essentials. It's a lovely theme and it's a multi-purpose theme, so you can use it to build different websites. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to upload and extract it, and then a little trick on some issues with the theme. So I just have to show you guys so you guys can always use it. So you're going to get a theme pack from me. So this video is how to upload, extract and make use of the theme. So just follow this video and the guidelines and everything. So first of all, I'll assume every one of you knows how to get yourself to the cPanel. So yes, we do. So like I always say, once you're in your cPanel, the first thing you have to note is to be sure that your domain is active, right? And then also be sure that your SSL is active before going ahead to install WordPress. So when you want to install WordPress, you have to go down from your cPanel, go down to the bottom part, you find Software's apps installer script. So you have to select WordPress. So you click on WordPress. So once you do that, you then go ahead and install. So install, like I said, always make sure you use the right one, www.https. So this is where I want to. So I just want to use this on a subdomain already. So I remove the indirectory. Like I said, never leave your password as pass. So I'm just gonna set a password here. So I'll just set my password, and then this ones here you can always set them in your WordPress admin dashboard later on. So once all is done, I just go ahead and click on install. So that's it. So it's installed. So this is the URL, like it says administrative URL. So this is your admin link. This here, your site link /wp-admin. So this is the link you use whenever you want to log into your WordPress from any computer or anywhere. Or as an admin, you can always log in directly from your WordPress admin from your cPanel. So this link, once you click on it, now it takes us directly into our WordPress dashboard. So here now is our dashboard. So nothing is happening here. So what we have to do now is now to go ahead and then install our theme. So if you go over to appearance themes, you're going to see the default WordPress themes that are here. So this is not the theme we're going to be working with. These are free themes. So we're going to be working with the essential theme, as I said. So once you have gotten the theme pack, you can then go over and upload it and then use it. So let's go over and do that now. So from here, we can just click here to go back to our cPanel. So uploading a WordPress theme, you have to go through the file manager. Okay, so you have to go through the file manager. So once you do that, this is your file manager, so you click it. So but before that, I recommend that you always do this tweak before uploading WordPress themes and all that, because your default cPanel has some kind of low memories that you just need to do. So from here on, just locate PHP, you locate under software, you locate this PHP INN editor, so you click it. So once you do that, you select the particular domain you want to tweak. So this is one we are working on. So I just select it. So this comes up. So I usually like to set this. Usually it's like this, but it's usually like this. But I like to increase every one of them. Sorry, I like to increase them all. So I've already done the increment here. That's why you can see this. But usually it's usually like this, I guess. But I like to increase them. So just try. It's usually like this. I think I like to increase the memories, especially when I'm using a web hosting that gives me unlimited space. So you can always tweak all this max execution time. Just increase the limit. Make sure you increase them. So I already did that for this one, so I'm not going to do them again. So I already increased them. So once you've done that, just click on apply. So that's all. So just before you start uploading your theme, so that you don't get issues with your theme uploads. Once you've done that, then you head over to file manager. So I just click on home. I'm back to my cPanel. So click on file manager. So once we get to our file manager, we locate the particular domain we are working on. So I guess this is it. So if you have so many subdomains, you will see them here. Like I said, your main domain is your public HTML, but this is the domain we are working on. So just double click here, it opens. So our theme folder in WordPress is usually found inside the WP content. So you double click on WP content and you'll find it. You locate themes, you double click and the themes open. So this is the default themes from WordPress. I like to delete them later on when I'm done uploading my theme. So what we're going to have to do here, so I assume you've gotten the theme files already that you have probably purchased or you have got it somewhere. So you now want to upload it and extract it. So from here, remember how we got here. Let me take a step back again. We located the double one to work with WP content, themes, right? So what we're going to do, we have to upload our theme now. So we just upload. Let's upload now. So here's our theme pack. So I'll just upload. So it's uploading currently now. So let's just hold on a little. Okay, so our theme is fully uploaded. So once it's uploaded, you can see it will show green. It's 100%. So you can just close this tab and then reload. So once you reload, this is going to be our theme pack folder. So all I have to do now is extract. So you click on it and you right click and you extract. So once you extract now, so the theme pack is going to open up. Remember, this is not the original theme. So usually when you buy a theme or so, sometimes it comes in a pack like this. So when you extract, it's not just correct yet. If you want to check, if you go over to your appearance, themes, your WordPress dashboard, you're going to see it's not going to come up here. And you're going to see something like a broken theme. So this to show you that the theme is not yet correct. So right here, this is our pack. So open. So this is our theme. So this core plugin here, this core plugin is a particular plugin that comes with the essential themes that you will not be able to install from the WordPress admin. So this particular one has to go to the WordPress plugin folder. But for now, this is our theme. So this is the theme we are going to look for. So this is what we want to use. So remember, it has to be here, right inside our main WP content themes. This is our 5 parts. So this is where it has to be. So what do? So once you're right here in your WP themes where you want it to be, just highlight all of this and then copy it. So you open this and then this is what we need. So we'll just move it to the right part. So after this slash here, do not delete that slash, just paste that part that you have just copied. This, once you do that, then you move. So the file will move over to the right part right here. Okay, so this is the one we need now. This is our theme. So you can now just go over and then extract. So when you extract, you find the theme is the essential theme right here. So to confirm if it's okay, you can go over to your WordPress dashboard, themes, click, and then that's it. So our essential theme is shown here now. So what I'll do from here is activate. So once you activated, this essential theme will have to take you through some setup wizard, which you can just follow up. So you just click, you click on everything. So you will install all plugins. So you just give it some time. Okay, so we are still waiting for our plugins to finish up. Okay, good. So I think that's all is done. So you go over to next step, activate your theme. So when you get to this part, please skip unless you've purchased the theme from Team Forest or wherever. So if you purchase the theme and you have an activation code, then you can activate the theme. But for now, just skip. So you can just click finish. So at this stage, everything is said and done, but there's just one thing you need to do because of this particular theme though. There's a little tweak we have done here. So the Pixford core plugin is not going to work correctly. So that's why we have it here for you already in this core plugin. It's called core plugin in your files. So because it's not, without you doing that, you'll not be able to import the demos correctly. So what you're going to have to first of all do in this particular essential theme is that you have to delete this Pixford core plugin and replace it with this one that just was found inside here, this place. So we're going to replace that here. So how do you do that now? Is this. So you can from your WordPress dashboard go to install plugins. So if you go to install plugins from your WordPress dashboard, you look for the pivot core. Here it is. So you can deactivate it and then delete it from here, but I don't always have to do this from here. I prefer you just do it from here, from your WordPress content. Here, this is our site, right? WP content plugins this time around. So this is where we see all our plugins. So this Akismet, I like to take it off. It's the default plugin that comes with WordPress, so I don't like to use them there. Same with Hello, I like to take them off because hackers sometimes attack those ones. So this pivot core, this is the one we're going to take it off and replace it with the one that came with our theme. So we're going to delete this one now, pivot core, and then remember our 5 parts. I'm going to copy the 5 parts. Remember where we are. Let's go back to remember where we are. We are right here inside our main domain, WP content plugins this time. So this is where we want to put the pivot plugin, the pivot core plugins. So you just highlight all of that, then copy. Then let's go to where we have our theme content. So remember it's here. So this is the core plugin. So you can just extract to see. So you extract, you upload. Okay, so plugins pivot core. So this is what we are looking for, pivot core. So you just do like this and then move or copy to the right part. So after this slash, like I said, you just paste the part where you want it to be. So if you can read the part very well, you will see essential. This is our domain, our subdomain that we used, and this is WP content, and this is plugins. So we're going to be moving this one into this part that we have just set. So just click move. Good. Once you do that, let's go over and check our plugin folder. So we can see the pivot core is here. Good. So we can now come over to this place now and reload to be sure. So our pivot core is here. Good. So that's it. So now quick one. So once you've done that, now you'll be able to see this from these essentials. You look at the demo imports. So you can see different site demos that you can take a look at if you want them. And a quick note, this particular essential theme will not allow you to import 2 different demos in one WordPress installation. What do I mean? If you just install WordPress and then you decide to do everything and import one particular demo, you will not be able to import another one a second time unless you delete the WordPress. So you have to be wary and be sure of the particular one you want to use before deciding to import it. So you can preview, you can see a preview button here. So you can preview whichever one you feel like, preview them correctly and be sure that okay, it's okay for the project you want to do. So you can see different sites, different demos. So whichever one is okay for you, you can just import them. But there's a solution just in case you imported a demo and you don't like it for some reasons and you want to import another one. Now, just before I continue, let me just show you exactly what I mean. So for this particular site, I intend to use a portfolio sort of. So I'm looking for a portfolio demo that I can import. So I think I'll use this personal. So I'll preview. So when I preview, so I just want to use this because I think it's good for your portfolio. You can use to set up your portfolio. You know, it's good and very simple. So I'm just going to import this right now. So let's go over and import. So I click on import. Yes, import. So it's important. Okay, so it's important. Once you get an error 500, just ignore. As long as that's taking some time to import, just be sure that it's imported. So to check if it's imported, once it's done, you can view your site. When you view your site, now this is what is going to be happening. This is what is going to happen, but don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. So just go over to your dashboard and go over to pages. So when you see it, so this is the main page right here. So if you view it, you would see that it's actually imported correctly. So I like this theme in particular. It's good to just build a simple portfolio for it. So you just show what you do and all that, the skills, check your skills, and you can show your works and all that, and a few blog. So it's very simplified and it's beautiful. So if you click on contact me, it just pops up this. So it's very nice. So that's by the way. For one thing, remember, if you view your site, it's going to show a blog. So there is still a few settings you need to do to set up the site completely. So what you're going to do this time around now is, so because you found out that the page you have imported is right here, so this is the one you need to be your home page. So what you're just going to have to do now is come over to settings, right? Readings. You see settings, reading, and then you have to set your site to be a static because it's still on a default post, which is blog. So you just put static and then you select the home page, which is this one. So once you've done that, so you can just set your post page as your blog. So once you've done that, you just save. Good. So once you've done that and it's saved, so if you view your site now, it's going to show the correct site one. So then later you have to go over and start arranging your menus. Start arranging your menus and your footer part and all that. So this is how to install this particular thing. Now, like I said, so once you've imported that demo, if you try to import another demo, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. For example, let's try importing this demo now. It's not going to work. It's not going to work anymore because, like I said, this particular theme can only allow you to import the demo data a WordPress installation. So but here's what you need to do. You don't have to delete your WordPress in this case like it's supposed to be, or uninstall your WordPress. There's a very simple tweak there's a plugin, WordPress plugin, that will help you reset all your WordPress settings in case you got lost or for some reason something happened in your WordPress website and you just got lost. So you can use this plugin. So there's a plugin, so you just go to plugins, add new plugin, you type WP reset, I guess. So you type WP reset. So when you type WP reset, so this first one here, this one that is red and black, is okay, it's simple to use. So you just go over and install this one. So once you install, you activate. Okay, so once it's activated, it's usually under tools. It's usually under tools from your WordPress dashboard here. It's usually under tools. So you find it here, WP reset. So just click on WP reset. So ignore so many other things you're seeing, just ignore them. What you want to do is to reset your stuff. So this is right here on the site reset. So you can say reactivate current theme. Yes, WP reset plugin if you want. Reactivate all current active plugins. Yes. So once you do that, just type reset here, just like you said. So you type reset. So once you've typed the reset, what you're going to do now is just click reset. So once you do this now, what will happen is that it will reset all your WordPress settings, so everything will go back to the default way just the first time you installed it. So what you do now is now click on reset. So reset WordPress. Okay, so just ignore that. So once you reset the WordPress, so all your WordPress will come afresh again. Everything will become afresh. If you view your site, everything will just become fresh again. And then what you now need to do now is to now try importing the demos again. So let's go for now and let's import this one. So you can see it's importing now. So usually after importing you will still see that 545 error, so just ignore it when you see that error. As far as it has taken some time like this to import, it has imported, so just ignore this. So now I believe it's imported our new demo. So if we check, so this is what it's showing. So this is what it's showing. So just the same way we did that time. Remember when you import to start showing your blog site, so just the way we did it just a moment ago, you go over to settings, reading, to set your correct one. So you put it as a static page, then you select, so this should be the home page I believe, so blog page. So you do that and then you save. Once you do that, so once you view your site now, you can see the new imports that we have done has just happened. So I particularly like this theme because of the use of WP Bakery Page Builder. I particularly love WP Bakery Page Builder. I think it has more beautiful websites, and it actually gives you this freedom to actually do what you want to do, and the editing is very, very good in WP Bakery. So this particular theme I particularly needed to get it to you guys, and then because I'm sure it's going to help you in your web design journey, because you can use it to build different websites. You know, you can use it to build different websites for different clients and all that, and it's a beautiful theme. So everything, the way it moves, the way it opens, the way everything just flows, so you can see. So you can actually use even this one to build a portfolio for yourself, you know. So it's a lovely thing. So I hope you guys will get it through this time around, and then I hope you understand. See you at the other side.